Today I will finish the epic saga with the dado blade and spindle pins on my Felder machine. Since I did not find a video on how to do this correctly, I did this task thanks to Alex from Felder support. Thanks to him, these pins were replaced and we did all the necessary tests for the integrity of the spindle itself. To pull out the pins is not an easy idea at all. You cannot pull them out with regular pliers. To do this, you will need a welding clamp and something that will help you pull them out of the hole. To pull out the first pin, a nail puller helped. With the second pin, a very strong impact screwdriver from Wiha did the job. These pins are quite simple in their design, and if someone has a metal lathe at home, it is quite simple to make them. I did not go this way, but bought the original ones. To put the new pins in, it was enough to heat the spindle itself very well with a heat gun. In the first case, the pin was carefully hammered in using an oak spacer and a hammer. The second pin went in quite easily without extra tools and devices. After the pins were replaced, I needed to check just in case if the spindle became bent after the dado blade untwisted. Thank God, the spindle is not damaged